Hi everyone, today we are working on upper back and abdominal muscles. Hi, I'm Melissa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. For our first exercise today, we are going to be doing wall angels. You need to find an open piece of wall that you can span across. You're going to stand with your head, shoulders, butt, and arms flat against that wall. Start at 90 degrees and you're going to slowly work those arms up till they get above your head. Ultimate goal is for them to touch above. You're going to go up as high as you can, hold it for 3 seconds, come back down, and we're going to continue doing this motion until we get 10 reps. For our next exercise, we're going to go down into a bird dog. You're going to bring those hands down to the mat, directly underneath of those shoulders, and bring those knees directly underneath the hips. You're going to extend one arm straight out, and then bring that opposite leg out, sucking in that belly button to engage that core. We're going to hold this for 15 seconds, then bring those arms and legs back down. Switch to that opposite side, sucking in that belly button again, and hold this for 15. We're going to go back and forth until we hit 3 reps on each side. For this exercise, we're going to be doing open books. You're going to get a long foam roller so that you can put your leg directly on top. You're going to go all the way down to the ground, bringing that knee up so it's in line with that hip, and the rest of your leg can rest on top. Bottom arm is going to go on top of that knee to stabilize it and bring that top free arm in front of you. You're going to bring that arm all the way around so you can touch it on the other side, following with your head. Bring it back to where we started, and we're going to continue this nice, slow, and easy until we get 10 reps. At that 10 rep mark, then you're going to turn that foam roller over and repeat on the other side for 10. Thank you for following along for Posture Phase 1 today. These exercises should be performed at least 1 time a day, and day of time is up to you and what works best for your schedule. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're interested in any of the products that we use today, such as the foam roller, they can be found on our website or linked in the description below.